Ladies and gentlemen, if I can invite you all to please stand for the entry of the bride. When two people pledge to love and care for each other in marriage, they create a spirit unique to themselves, which binds them closer than any spoken or written word. Marriage is a promise which we have both taken and has been made in the hearts of two people who love one another. It is therefore my privilege to declare that you are now legally married.
I've never been married before, and 1 year before I turned 50, I can honestly say that this woman right here was well worth the wait. She truly is an amazing, the most caring and loving person you could ever wish for. She always finds the good in everyone and everything, and that's what I love about her. We've had the most amazing journey so far, and that journey is far from over. I've got plenty of fuel left in this tank.